Hello guys, welcome to the next video on Node.js tutorial for beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install and download Node modules globally on your operating system, right? So till now, what we have seen is how to install Node modules locally. So whenever you install a module, a directory called node module is created, and then your module is installed inside this directory, right? But if you want to use the node module in different projects, the same node module you want to use in different projects, then you need to install a node module globally. This is not a good practice unless it's a module which helps you to develop your project. But sometimes some modules, when you install globally, helps you in the development, and one such module is nodemon, right? So first of all, I'm going to open the terminal inside my Visual Studio Code. So I will just write toggle integrated terminal, and it's going to open it, and I'm going to run my app first of all. So I will just write a node app.js, right? And this is the app we were making in the previous videos for routing, different requests. Okay, so what is nodemon? First of all, so nodemon, you can go to the npm website and search for nodemon, and nodemon allows you to develop your project in such a way that whenever you run your project with nodemon command, after installing nodemon, it will watch your file. So whenever you change your stuff in your project, it's going to watch for the changes, and as soon as you press the save button, it's going to restart your server. So right now what we do is, when we make some changes, for example, I add a comma here, I need to stop my server from here and save my code and restart my server in order to let the changes happen, right? But in the development, this can be really tiring to restart and stop and restart your server. So nodemon, whenever you install it globally, will help you to watch your files. If you change your file, it's going to restart the node server automatically. So first of all, let's see how we can install nodemon. Okay, so the command to install nodemon is npm install. So just write npm install and then nodemon, and then give a flag -g. Now flag -g stands for global flag. So whatever command or whatever module you install with -g flag, it will be installed globally. So it's not going to install in your node module folder inside your project. It's not going to install here, but it's going to install globally on your operating system. So whenever you want to use this nodemon module from other project also, you can use it, right? So it's not going to be installed locally but globally. So just give this command npm install nodemon -g and press enter, which is going to install this nodemon. If you are on Linux operating system, you may have to give sudo command, sudo access, to install this, because the directory where this global module will be installed is protected for the root user, right? So if you are on Linux operating system, just run this command with sudo. Okay, so once this module is installed, you can see here it's not installed here, nothing is here in my node modules, right? But it's installed at a specific location. On Windows, this location is this one. So I'm going to just paste this command in the description. So just copy this command and open your folder explorer, and then just paste this command like this, okay, in here, and then press enter, and it will be showing you the location where your global module is installed. So you can see nodemon is already there. I have other global module called node inspector, which I have already previously installed, right? So this is the global location, your username, and in app data roaming there will be a folder called npm/node modules. So this is the global location of node modules, and every project you will make will be able to see this module, right? So I'm going to give this command in the description so you can also see this. Okay, so once the nodemon is installed, you can see in the documentation also you can install it globally like this. Then you just need to write nodemon and the name of your app.js file. So just write, instead of node, just write nodemon here. Okay, so let me just clear it a little bit so we can see it clearly. So here we are going to give nodemon command. Instead of node, give nodemon, this command nodemon, and then the app.js file name, so app.js, right? And then press enter, and you can see your server on the browser which we have made. So we are right now in the home page, and for example I want to change this routing. Instead of about us, I want to use, for example, instead of about, I want to just write about us here. So I want to show the about page on this URL, about-us. Okay, and I'm going to save it, and as soon as I save it, you can see the nodemon server sees that I have saved a file, so it has restarted the server again. So you can see restarting due to changes, starting node app.js, right? So the server is restarted whenever I press the save button, right? Or for example, I will just go here, file, and I will just press save, right? And you can see it restart when I save my code. Okay, and then I can go to my browser, and when I just say about here, instead of this, about, and it's going to give me 404 because I have already changed the URL to about us. So I will just give about us this time. It should be about up I have given here, right? So I will just say about up, and I can see the about page, right? Ideally it should be like this, about us, and I will just say save. It's going to restart, and this time when I refresh it, now it shows me 404, and when I say about us, it gives me about page, right? So this makes your development really easy whenever you want to frequently change your code on your project, right? So in this way you can install global modules on your operating system, and in this way you can use nodemon with your Node.js server. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and bye for now.